Hey everyone! Welcome back to another comprehensive review session. Today we're diving deep into an evaluation of Exodus. Exodus Wallet is a highly regarded cryptocurrency wallet that offers a blend of user-friendliness, robust features, and active development. Here's an in-depth review covering all aspects of the wallet. User interface and experience. Exodus is renowned for its sleek, intuitive design, making it an excellent choice for beginners. The wallet's dashboard offers a clear and comprehensive overview of your assets, and its navigation is straightforward. It supports a dark mode and allows for some customization, enhancing the user experience. Supported cryptocurrencies. Exodus supports over 100 cryptocurrencies, including major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as a variety of altcoins and tokens. The wallet frequently updates its list of supported assets, making it versatile for users with diverse portfolios. Security. Exodus is a non-custodial wallet, meaning users retain control of their private keys. Security features include password protection, backup recovery options, and integration with Trezor hardware wallets. However, it does not offer two-factor authentication, which is a significant security feature for some users. Integration with hardware wallets. Exodus integrates seamlessly with Trezor hardware wallets, providing an additional layer of security for users who prefer to store their funds offline. Built-in exchange. One of Exodus's standout features is its built-in exchange, allowing users to trade cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet. This feature supports many trading pairs and is convenient for users who prefer not to use external exchanges. Fees. While the wallet itself is free to use, transaction fees can be high, especially during periods of network congestion. Exodus does not charge additional fees on top of network fees for sending or receiving transactions but earns from the spread on exchanges. Customer support. Exodus offers extensive customer support through its website, including a knowledge base, FAQs, and live chat support. The team is known for being responsive and helpful, which is crucial for new users navigating the cryptocurrency space. Privacy features. Exodus prioritizes user privacy and does not require personal information to download or use the wallet. Transactions are conducted directly on the blockchain, and the wallet does not collect or store personal data. However, the built-in exchange may require KYC, Know Your Customer, verification for certain transactions, depending on the service provider's regulations. Performance. Exodus performs well on both desktop and mobile platforms, handling multiple assets efficiently without significant lag or crashes. Synchronization between desktop and mobile versions is smooth, ensuring a consistent experience across devices. Detailed pros and cons. Pros. User-friendly interface. Supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Built-in exchange. Integration with Trezor hardware wallets. Responsive customer support. Cons. No two-factor authentication. High transaction fees. Lacks advanced features. KYC for built-in exchange. Conclusion. Exodus Wallet stands out as a top choice for both beginners and intermediate cryptocurrency users. Its combination of an intuitive interface, extensive cryptocurrency support, and integrated exchange makes it a compelling option. That wraps up our detailed review of Exodus. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.